Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to connect Kraken Pro to Kraken wallet. So to get started with the easy and straightforward guide, the first thing to do is to install the Kraken wallet app. So go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store, then download the Kraken wallet app, then set your wallet and secure your recovery phrase. Then after that, you have to open the Kraken wallet app, then select the crypto you want to receive, for example BTC, which is Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then tap receive and copy your wallet address, which is very important. Then after that, you have to open your Kraken Pro app, then tap on portfolio. From there, tap on withdraw, then select the crypto you want to send, then paste your Kraken wallet address, then enter the amount to send. Then from the list, review details of all the steps and confirm the withdrawal. Then after that, you can simply check in the Kraken wallet. So after network confirmation, your fund will appear in Kraken wallet, and make sure you copy the right network, because without that you might lose your crypto. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.